Hello, my friends. Welcome back to another episode. My name is Leo, and today, guys, oh yes, we're going to talk about something powerful, something that touches your mind, your emotions, and your daily life. We're talking about mental health and how learning a new language can help your brain to feel stronger, calmer, take better decisions, and even improve our focus. And I'm not alone today. I'm here with my good friend Maria, who is passionate about personal growth and psychology.
Hi, everyone. Thank you, Leo. I'm very excited because this is my favorite topic, how learning transforms your brain from the inside. So, let's begin. Let's explore how a new language can be like therapy, discipline, motivation, and even meditation.
Maria, let's start simple. Why does learning a language make people feel better mentally?
Great question, Leo. There are three main reasons. 1. It gives your brain positive focus. When you learn new vocabulary, grammar, or sound patterns, your brain becomes active and engaged. This breaks negative thinking cycles like overthinking, anxiety loops, rumination. Learning gives your mind something productive to do. 2. It increases your dopamine. Dopamine is the good feeling chemical. Every time you understand a sentence, every time you complete an exercise, every time you repeat pronunciation correctly, your brain rewards you. 3. It creates a sense of progress. Human beings need to feel we are growing. Language learning gives you small victories every day. Those small wins build confidence, discipline, self-esteem, hope.
I totally agree. When I started learning my second language, every little improvement, like understanding a new phrase, made me feel alive. Maria, let's talk emotionally. How can learning a language help someone who feels stressed, lonely, or depressed?
Okay, here's the deep part. Language learning gives you structure to your life. When you study every day, even for 15 minutes, your brain feels order. Routine reduces anxiety. It makes you part of a community. When you learn English or Spanish, you open the door to new friends, new cultures, new conversations, feeling less alone. Social connection is one of the strongest protectors of mental health. It gives you a new identity. Sometimes people feel stuck in their lives. But when you learn a new language, you discover, I can change. I can improve. I can start again. That feeling is extremely healing.
Wow, that's powerful, Maria. Sometimes a language is not only grammar, it's a new version of you. Let's give people tools. How can someone use language learning to actually feel better emotionally?
Perfect. I'll give 5 simple techniques anyone can use today. 1. Shadowing while walking. Walk outside and repeat English phrases. Movement and speech equal mental clarity. 2. Use English journaling. Write 5 to 6 simple sentences about your day. It helps you process emotions. 3. Learn with calm music. Soft background music reduces stress and improves memory. 4. Celebrate the smallest wins. Learn one new word? Great! Speak for 30 seconds? Amazing! Your brain needs small celebrations. 5. Connect learning with gratitude. Every night say, I'm grateful because today I learned something new. Gratitude changes your brain chemistry.
I love it. And I want to add something. Learning English or any language gives you purpose. When your mind has purpose, your heart feels lighter. So keep going, step by step, word by word, day by day. See you in the next episode, my friends. You are doing something powerful for your mind and your future. Practice your English. Take small steps. And remember, you can do it.